So the new web page is JSP loops. So we'll do one example in which we're going to test all several different kinds of loops. Again, you have learned them in Java 1, so it's the same stuff. Integer x equals to 1. Now let me try to do a while solution first. A while loop requires an initial point, an ending condition, and a way to increment or decrement, so that based on the logic of your loop. This is an increment loop, so I'll increment by 1. So the 3 steps required in a while loop in Java Standard Edition still carry over in Java Enterprise Edition. Doesn't matter, it's JSP, servlets, or EJBs, or Java Beans, doesn't matter. Now inside the body, I will simply display the output of display value of x and break row. So now you save the changes and you run your program. And when you run your program, run as on server, you will see that it generates 10 lines of code. And when it generates 10 lines of code, if you right click and click on view source, you will see that it generates 10 lines of HTML code, even though you only wrote 2 lines. Done? Okay. Now we will going to copy this, and we're going to paste it right below, and let me comment out these lines. So the commenting style is also the same as you had in Java. Now I will change this to a do-while loop. Again, you start out with a value in do-while loop. It's a post-condition loop, so you check the condition towards the end of the body of the loop. And again, you save the changes and run the output. And you get the same output as before. Does exactly the same thing. Okay? We will comment out this much code, and this time we will also comment this int x equals to 1 line, and we will do the for loop, which allows you to do everything in one place. And since there's only 1 line in the body of the for loop, we don't even need curly braces. Save the changes, run on server, and get to see the same output. And for the same reasons, you'll use while loop versus for loop as you learn in Java 1. Okay, so far we learned in this example how you can test loops. You will use your nested loops the same way you do your regular loops. We will now incorporate a little bit more of HTML. So we'll start a new example here. In this example, I want to put together JSP, CSS, and HTML.